New this evening, the trial for accused FSU shooter Phoenix Ikner has been delayed until next year. Ikner is accused of opening fire on Florida State's campus in April 2025, injuring several students and killing 2 men outside the busy student union. Ikner was set to stand trial in October, but court records show the judge just set a new trial date. It is June 8th of 2027. Ikner's attorneys have repeatedly looked to push back the date, citing a lot of evidence to go through in that case. Last week, defense attorneys filed a motion asking to delay the trial, where they also claimed Ikner had trouble understanding proceedings due to serious mental health issues. This is actually the 3rd time the trial has been postponed. It was originally set for November 2025, but his previous attorney withdrew due to a conflict of interest. That pushed the trial to March 2026 to give his new defense team time to get ready. The judge approved another defense motion last fall to push it back again to October. Again, all that's changed today. Ikner's new trial date set for next June.